The direct print aligners, one of the things that strikes me is the fact that the plastic itself works all the way up to the neck of the tooth. Unlike the documented issues we see with thermoform, where it's really strong at the incisal third and then kind of falls off after that. I do feel, and I'm seeing, that this engagement at the gingival third of the tooth is creating less of a need for attachments. And to me, that's a really big game changer when it comes to using these types of aligners versus the thermoform. But all of my direct print cases, I'm seeing a reduction in attachments because I feel like the engagement of the height of contour of the tooth with this type of process of creating aligners is working much better. I can say with confidence that I'm not seeing a difference clinically in the current mechanics I'm using from thermoform to direct print. And so that, to me, having parity with thermoform at this moment is very important, because if I can show that, and I've continued to prove myself that, then with direct print, it's a smart aligner versus the dumb thermoform. I can actually start to make changes to the plastic, the thickness, the makeup, how it works, how it engages the teeth, and being able to jump off of that platform that I currently am on, where I can see an equivalence between the two. That's what's going to be a lot of fun moving forward, is being able to scale the direct print into smarter aligners instead of thermoform. The ability, a thermoform, as we all know, is plastic heated up and sucked down over a model, and that's just what you get. The ability to create that aligner from the ground up gives us so much more variability. So the smart part of the aligner comes in the fact that we can add, subtract, change in the design of the aligner before we print it, and then make what our minds have created. And so the ability for the aligner to have more options available to us is what I think makes it smarter than just a piece of plastic heated up and formed over a model.